The COMFEE EM720CPL PMB countertop microwave oven steps into the kitchen as a compact and practical solution for everyday cooking needs. Designed with simplicity in mind, this 0.7 cubic foot microwave delivers 700 watts of power, making it ideal for small households, dorm rooms, or office use. At first glance, its sleek black finish gives it a modern touch, while the compact size ensures it fits easily on limited counter space. More importantly, it balances performance and convenience without overwhelming the user with complicated controls. For those who prefer straightforward appliances, this microwave offers a clean and accessible interface that feels intuitive from the very first use. One of the standout features is its easy one-touch cooking functionality. With quick access buttons for 1 to 6 minutes and a plus 30 seconds option, users can start heating food almost instantly. In addition, it includes auto-cook presets such as popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetables, beverages, and reheat. These presets remove guesswork and help deliver consistent results. Furthermore, the microwave offers 2 defrost settings, either by weight or by time, which adds flexibility when preparing frozen meals. As a result, it becomes a reliable companion for busy individuals who want fast and efficient meal preparation without constantly adjusting settings. Safety and comfort are also key highlights of this model. It features a 2-step child lock system, which follows modern safety standards and helps prevent accidental use, especially in households with children. At the same time, the mute function adds a thoughtful touch. By simply holding the sound button for 3 seconds, users can turn off all beeping sounds. This feature is particularly useful in quiet environments, such as late-night cooking or shared living spaces. Because of these additions, the microwave not only performs well, but also adapts to different lifestyles and needs. Another important aspect is its energy-saving eco mode. When activated, this function reduces standby power consumption by up to 50%, making it a more efficient choice for long-term use. This is especially beneficial for users who are mindful of electricity usage,